Hello, welcome to Phoenicia. Today we're going to be making an upper arm cuff, or also known as an armlet, using jewelry wire. Let's go! We will need the following materials: jewelry wire, pliers, file, marker, measuring tape, and a spray can. This process is very easy. You first start by measuring your upper arm. As you can see, my upper arm is 10 inches circumference. Next, you cut the jewelry wire. It's very easy. Process is very easy. So I'll be cutting 30 inches long. 3 times the measurement of my upper arm. Please do not forget to like this video. It costs you nothing and it will help my channel grow and reach more people. Thank you so much. It's As you can see, the process is very easy. You use the already cut wire as a guide to help you cut the remaining 3 strings of jewelry wire. Make sure you are using a medium soft jewelry wire. We have the hard wire. It's too hard. You might find it hard to work with, and you have the dead soft jewelry wire. That one is too soft to work with. So the best bet is the medium soft wire. Please do not forget to subscribe. It is free. Click the notification bell too when you subscribe so you do not miss out on any of the new videos I am going to be uploading on this channel. Thank you so much for even watching. Thank you so much. This step is optional, but I like to file the rough edges off so that they don't catch on your clothing or on your hair. I mean the sharp edges. You file it so they don't catch on your clothing or on your hair. This is the fun part. Start to wrap the wire together. This is a fun part. Be very careful when you are working with the non-padded flat nose pliers so you don't scratch the jewelry wire. You don't leave an unsightly mark. I have been doing this for a while. So if this is your first time, be very careful so you don't scratch off the gold plated coating on the jewelry wire. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave the question or questions in the comment section, and I'll reply you. You can use your imagination for this task. For me, I like the loop. That loop will stop the jewelry wire from catching on your hair and on your clothing. So when you loop it, closed loop, it's the best way to ensure that your clothes or hair don't get caught on your upper arm cuff. Closing the loop and then wrapping it tightly and clamping it down with the flat nose plier, and then closing that loop makes it, you know, look pretty and ensure that your clothing and hair do not get caught on your jewelry. You can wear your armlet to any event, to church, to an outing, weddings. I wear it. I love armlets. I have lots. I have plenty of armlets that I wear out. They are part of my wardrobe, especially during the summer. It's just so much, um, you know, better during the summer. I do wear armlets during the winter, but I wear them with my turtleneck. But I still prefer wearing them mostly in the summer. Now this is another fun part. You just wrap it around your spray can or any round uh, object. Don't forget to share the video, like, comment, subscribe, These are all free. Free ways to help me. Thank you so much. And yes, you can also invert the design. It's one of things I like to do. It's you can do this is a bonus tip. You can invert the design. See, very easy. I actually prefer it inverted like this. I prefer it this way. Tell me what you prefer. Do you prefer the first design or the last one? This inverted design. Thank you so much.